Hey, Old Dude here, coming at you from Old Dude's Garage. And today I actually have a problem with my garage. So, big issues. My garage door opener is not working. And what it does is kind of intermittent. You come in here to leave, or you're getting home, or just to shut the garage. And it does this. It runs for just about, that long, and it shuts off. And then you start back down again, and it runs down, and it does that. So it kind of goes back and forth. It seems to have a mind of its own. And generally what I have to do is grab the little ripcord hanging there, raise the door out, let my wife get out or get home, or myself. So it's just been a hassle. And it's really been an inconvenience because I've troubleshot different things. I tried the light bulb thing. I've tried greasing and cleaning this rail right here multiple times. I've tried to grease the rollers, and I knew there was something. It was something. I almost bought another garage door opener because I thought, okay, it's just gone. It's toast. And but I figured out the door wasn't binding, so I knew it wasn't the binding of the door. It wasn't the bearings on the wall. It had something to do with this box. And I got to looking, and here's what I found. This is the problem in my case. Oh yeah, unplug it before you start messing with it, because if you arc that, it'll trip your breakers. This wire right here, this little connector, has gotten wiggled loose or came loose, and it's just loose enough that it, when this thing shakes, when it's running, it'll unplug itself and shut it off and stop it. And then you'll start it and stop it. Anyway, so I took that apart and clipped that back together. We'll see how it works. So the 3 screws, 1 here, 2 here, they're just a 1/4-inch nut driver or Phillips head screwdriver. Pull them out, pull that out. Now taking this thing apart, it's got 3 screws on the end cap, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom, but this one also has this plastic thing that sticks through that hole. So you can't just take it off and bring it down. You have to pull it out away from the garage door opener. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Yeah, so the little motor shroud's got 2 bolts on either side at the top, 1 on each side in the middle. And last thing to note is make sure it all fits properly before you start tightening things down, because now I gotta take it, loosen everything back up to get this to fit properly. So anyway, make sure it all fits before you tighten everything down. Okay, the little light shield's got these. Well, it's impossible for me to do that. It's got these little tabs that you can see right here, and you just feed those in. When you pull it off, you just have to get it at the right angle and pull it down like at 45, and they'll pull out. But they stick those back in there, and it will snap it right back together. There we go, just like that. So one last thing, they'll tell you that the light bulbs will cause these things, or I read that online somewhere, I tried that. Light bulbs will cause this thing to act up. That's actually one of the things I tried. I unscrewed it, and now it works just fine both ways, so not the light bulbs. And just like that, we're back in business. All the way to the ground. Just having to tweak the Liftmaster just a little bit to make it work.